Alright, what up, y'all? So, quick video. I didn't plan on making the video while I was doing this, so I'm kind of coming back after the fact, so that's why I don't have a lot of video to show with it. But basically, the halo lights from the Jeep, they fit inside the H2 Hummer and the H3 Hummer. I did a video a while back for the H3, it's a little bit different. The H2 is way simpler to do, but anyway, the plug that comes with the new light, it doesn't match the factory plug from the Hummer. So that's something I didn't know. I didn't order these, the customer came with them on their own, so by the time I saw them I was already halfway into the job. But what I ended up doing was using a Dremel to kind of cut the plug off of that harness that came with the new lights. That way I can get to the actual prongs on the wires. Now, if you got the tool for it, you can kind of pop those out on your own without cutting anything. But whatever tool that is, I didn't have it or anywhere near me that might work. So anyway, I cut the plastic off, cut it just enough with the Dremel to get the prongs out for the wires, and then you just plug each prong into the harness from the truck. Now the center plug is the ground, so I should have a picture of that up right now. And then you connect the low beam on one side, high beam on the other side. Just it was a quick test to figure out what did what, but just hook one side up and just turn your lights on, see what happens. If nothing lights up, move it to the other prong, then you should get something. And then it's just to check on the actual light to see whether that's the high beam coming on or the low beam. So on these, the low beam, you'll see all three of the top three lights in the little LED setup. Those will light up if it's low beam. When it's high beam, you'll have all four lights light up. So that'll be the difference. But yep, just a quick little something just in case y'all were working on it and kind of got stumped and had to figure out what was going on. So hopefully, small group of people, but hopefully it'll help if you need it. But yeah, catch y'all later.